Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by making sure Visual Studio has the web workload installed. This gives you new Get and project templates. Create a new ASB, NET project, choose MVC or Razor Pages to get the proper folder structure for CSS and scripts. Once done, open the Solution Explorer and confirm that package management is active so you can add client libraries. This step is critical because the project type dictates where Bootstrap files go, and new Get or libman will be the single way we add Bootstrap into the app. You should use libman inside Visual Studio because it is the one-way supported client-side library manager for simple projects. Right-click the project, pick Add, then Client-Side Library, search for Bootstrap at 5, and choose the compiled CSS and JS files you need. Make sure the target path is under www.root/lib/bootstrap or content/scripts for older projects, so Razor can reference them. Once installed, libman creates a manifest. This keeps the process repeatable and ensures updates are controlled through Visual Studio rather than manual copying. You now reference the installed files in your layout, add the link to Bootstrap. Min, CSS in the head and include Bootstrap. Bundle, min, JS before the closing body tag. This ensures components and JS plugins work. Build and run the app. Once running, open DevTools to confirm files load with 200 status. If you see 404s, make sure the file paths match the libman target folder. Then run Restore Client-Side Libraries or right-click the libman. JSON and choose Restore. This single troubleshooting tip fixes most issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.